Creation is a slave to the corruption of mankind. Does that mean going green is the answer? Not even close. Because every man-made attempt to restore the earth and protect it is still rooted in sin and corruption. It's still rooted in the Adamic nature in which we live. So even if you try to save it one way or the other, whether you're on this side of the spectrum or wherever you're at, all our man-made attempts will not bring what we desire it to do. And this is why creation waits eagerly for our redemption as children.